Have you ever wondered how towering mountains slowly transform into gentle hills, or how the sand on your favorite beach ended up there? The incredible journey of Earth's surface materials is a constant dance of movement, shaping and reshaping our world in profound ways. Sediments, which are tiny rock fragments, soil, and organic matter, are primarily transported across Earth's surface by four powerful agents: water, wind, ice, and gravity. These natural forces work tirelessly, picking up, carrying, and depositing materials over vast distances, continuously altering landscapes. The why behind this movement lies in the energy of these agents. Water, in the form of rivers, streams, and ocean currents, is arguably the most significant transporter. Its ability to move sediments depends on its velocity and volume. Faster, more voluminous water can carry larger and heavier particles through a process called hydraulic action, where the force of the water itself dislodges material. It also carries sediments in suspension, bouncing them along the bottom, or dissolving soluble minerals. Wind picks up fine particles in drier regions or exposed coastlines, its effectiveness increasing with speed and the lack of vegetation to hold soil in place. Ice, specifically glaciers, is an incredibly potent force, capable of moving everything from fine silt to enormous boulders, scraping and plucking material from the landscape as it slowly flows. Finally, gravity is the ultimate driver of all mass movement, directly pulling loose material downhill through landslides, mudslides, or rockfalls, especially when aided by water or a steep slope. You can observe these processes all around you. Look at a river after a heavy rain. The muddy brown color reveals the large amount of sediment being carried downstream. Visit a sandy beach and notice how the constant ebb and flow of waves shifts sand grains. In desert regions, observe how wind sculpts dunes into various shapes, showcasing its transport capabilities. If you live near mountainous areas, evidence of ancient glaciers can be seen in U-shaped valleys and deposited moraines, while fresh scars on hillsides might point to recent gravitational movements. Understanding these signs helps you interpret the dynamic story of Earth's surface. A key concept in understanding sediment transport is the relationship between the energy of the transporting agent and the characteristics of the sediment itself. Scientists talk about an agent's competence, which is the maximum size of particle it can carry, and its capacity, which is the total amount of sediment it can transport. A fast-moving river has high competence and high capacity, able to move both large boulders and vast quantities of smaller particles. Wind, while limited in competence to fine sands and dust, can have a high capacity to transport these lighter materials over very long distances. Different materials are carried in distinct ways, such as bed load which rolls or slides along the bottom, suspended load which floats within the agent, and dissolved load where minerals are completely incorporated into the water. By understanding how water, wind, ice, and gravity interact with Earth's surface materials, you gain a deeper appreciation for the ongoing processes that sculpt our planet. These dynamic interactions are fundamental to the rock cycle, the formation of landforms, and even the distribution of fertile soils, providing valuable insights into both natural hazards and vital resources. It is a constant, powerful reshaping, happening every moment across the globe.